Boys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. We're just a couple boys hanging out, you know? Literally a couple, man. Let's get these views up. That would help a lot by thumbsing up, commenting. Anyway, boys, change of scenery. You're filming in the living room right now, which I'm not mad at, because my cleaning lady just came in. It looks quite nice in here, and I wanted to also see I have a cleaning lady, you know? Only honesty on this channel. Anyway, no, it's pouring rain outside right now. It's all you could hear in my studio, so we're filming here. Hopefully you guys don't mind. I also just said studio. Who the f do I think I am? You're not cool, Bran. Sorry, my room of sh. Anyway, back in the action, boys. Oh, my ego. I shoot it down myself. It's nobody else's fault. Anyway, let's get a crackin'. Never said that before. God, bad start. As always, just hit the thumbs up, comment down below, boys. That would be awesome. Views have been so low for tons of conspiracy reasons on my part, but also it's because of my fault. Also, YouTube sucks because when I got demonetized, they restarted all my stuff, so they're not sharing anything. And you can tell I'm upset because I'm red. Mystery boxes are down below. NameBranFam.com. What a great intro. I'm mad, and now I'm happy. Boys, if you want a mystery box, click down below. They're only $24.99. What comes in it? But one of yours, this is the coolest part, is gonna actually include a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. But for everyone that doesn't get that, every mystery box is gonna come with one custom NameBran t-shirt. We also have a chain it comes with, and I brought them. Good thinking, Bran. A couple NameBran style stickers. One of these might be on your shirt. You never know, boys. Link is down below, and if you guys don't want a mystery box, we also have jewelry on there that you can buy for free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. NameBranFam.com. We appreciate them. Our only sponsors, pretty much. That's not good. So let's just start it this way, boys. Went on a hunt of a lifetime the other day, literally for hours, looking for the most expensive. How do you explain this one? Basically what I'm trying to say is, the video idea I had was buying the most expensive item you can on Wish, but in replica form. I saw this when I had that video idea. I was like, this is a no-brainer. I'm so excited. It's not often, boys, I purchased something for myself on this channel. A lot of it's reviews for you guys. All the stuff I review, I don't really use. They sit in a box and collect spiders. We have a lot of those. But not anymore, because my cleaning lady cleans those up for us. She doesn't, I do it. I think she's scared too. I'm also very scared, but I don't want to admit it. Anyway, boys, let's hype this up a little bit, because I've been waiting for this for so long. What we're looking at is exact replica ring, exact, of LeBron James championship ring. I'm gonna put it up right here. Look at what that baby looks like. That's the real ring, boys. I'm a big fan of LeBron basketball, if you guys don't know. Actually, I have some cards I want to show you guys at one point if you're interested. Anyway, I've been a huge fan ever since literally my first pack of basketball cards my mom bought me in 2003. It came with his rookie, and ever since then she's like, Bran, he's really good, and he was my favorite. This ring though is insane. You guys just saw the video, man. Most expensive NBA ring of all time. We gotta check this thing out, man. I can't wait to add it to my collection of just memorabilia. I'm talking too much. Let's get into it, man. I bought it for 15 bucks, and it's over here. So here it is. This is why, as I just open it real quick. Oh, you're a double wrap girl, aren't ya? Alright, we come with two packaging right here. This is the reason I bought it, bro. The big thing about this ring to me was on the inside of the real ones, they had actually like a Kobe tribute. This is a picture of the ring. You take the off part off, and it just like looks sick, bro. I'm so excited to add this to my display that I just wanted to kind of unbox something I really wanted to see today. So without further ado, let's check out this ring. There's absolutely no box in it. I can feel the ring, and it's damn big. That's what she's. Don't do it, Bran. Oh, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. Oh my god. Wow, it actually looks real. I might have to take this to a ban from pawn shops. I might have to take this somewhere and sell it for $10 million. No, anyway, boys, I don't promote doing that. Oh my god. Let's check her out. This is gonna be real short, because this kind of video is just kind of for me, man. As you can see, the replica of the ring. These diamonds are absolutely beautiful. I couldn't put LeBron in the title or championship ring because nobody cares, but I do, so I have to probably come up with something cool. This is nuts, bro. And she fits like a beauty. Look at the, oh my god, the details, man. This was $15 off Wish, not promoting it because I don't, oh, because I'm not sponsored, oh, it's stuck. I'm not going out with this. Oh god, I got soap. Does soap work? Vaseline? Vaseline. Do we have that? I think I ran out last night. This morning? Bad joke, I'm actually freaking out. This is not good. Ian! Alright, we're back. back, boys. Sorry, quick freak out. So I haven't actually looked at the inside of this yet. You can see the crack. I think if it's the same as the other ring, it is magnetic. We won't check that yet, because one thing I just want to do, I want to show you guys a couple of my graded LeBron cards I have. I really want to show you guys some more of my collections, and also I'd love an excuse to do a video on like a $700 pack. There's this pack that I like. It's a literal pack. It's $700. It comes with the craziest cards. I thought that'd be a great video, opening up a $700 pack of basketball cards. There's like 5 in it. Anyway, got that one right here. I spent like $400 on this. It's like a lot lower now. I just I bought what was cool before without actually knowing if it's like gonna go up or down in price. I think I paid like $200 on this. This one here, I think I spent like $100 on or something. This one here, I just know people like prices. I'm not trying to brag because like all these have gone down in price and I screwed up. This one I paid like $200 on, but then it was broken. This one I paid $1,400 on, and I'm pretty sure it's not worth that. So I screwed up all around, but I still like them. Actually, that $1,400 one is still around there. Anyway, back to the ring. The part I've been waiting for, boys, is just because they have a Kobe tribute in here. And that's what I thought was the coolest part. I want to display it with this off. It's not coming off, though. Oh no, what? No, there's cracks on this side. You see that where it opens? These sides are glued down. The one reason I wanted this, bro. It looks like there's stuff inside. What the f is this? I don't want it if it doesn't open, because how are you supposed to display it? I'm yelling because my girlfriend's not home right now, and I'm allowed to. Alright, you stupid little F word. Thought you could beat Bran, huh? Maybe this isn't the best cutting method. I tried to look cool with this. You gotta be kidding. That's freaking metal. That's not cutting at all. Wish actually lied. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. It opens. Wish lied. Somebody lied. I'm gonna break this thing. I'm gonna return it back to, I don't even need my $15. I'm gonna break this, say, hey, I tried to get it open like it showed it would, and then it's gonna be broken and they'll accept it. They'll have to. Brian, you get mad every video. Yeah, if you bought shit every day. Hammer, hammer, hammer. And let's think about that. That is marble. We're going outside. I don't care if it's raining. Oh, it stopped. Oh, now I look like a liar. Oh, whatever. It was raining. All right, boys. Out to the classic braking station. This is gross. I think I just stepped on dog S-H-I-T. That's absolutely smushy. It's wet. It was wet. My braking station is covered. Fudge. Can't do it there. I'm also doing this as one last effort to maybe break that open. Oh, it is sliding a little bit. It is sliding. I'm actually stoked. I'm stoked. It slid. Holy hell. It does have something in it. It was just stuck with metal, with actual glue. They glued it. There's like hot glue. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does not good. But it does have the tributes in there. Why would you glue that shut? Why would you do that? Anyway, okay, I'm not mad at you. Now I'm kind of mad I broke it. Did I break the diamond? I broke the diamonds. Okay, I'm buying a new one.